Gold and silver both traded bearish for the day. We have seen gold moving towards 2291 levels, while silver has also seen the lows at 2665. Now, what to expect from gold and silver for the rest of the day? Can we expect a bounce back and a recovery, or there is a possibility of a further crash? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited, and thus subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch it. On the early charts, you can see gold is forming a bearish channel here. It has seen a sharp drop earlier in the day, and since then it is creating lower highs, lower lows. Thus, it is important for it to stay first above 2310. If you see gold staying above 2310 today, you can buy here. Expect 2315, 2318 as the first target levels. And if it stays above 2315, 2318 levels, then only we can say that it may try to show a further bullish move, taking it till towards 23, 26, 28 zone, the next targets. Remember, earlier in the day, as I mentioned, only reversal confirmation today is if you see gold is staying beyond 23, 40, 42 zone. As long as it stays below 23, 40, 42, do not treat this as bullish. MACD crossing over here for the buys, RSI coming out of the oversold, stochastic is rising here, trying to show some little bullish strength here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, look at the preceding three candles, lower highs, straight lower highs are seen here. And this candle again, see, preceding candle closed with a doji almost, and this candle started with the downward journey. So possibility exists that it may continue here on the downside, taking it till towards 90 again, or in fact 2285. But what I do see here is, because see, none of the candles here closed below 2300 levels. This makes 2300 as a very stronger support, and thus as long as it is respected, the possibility of a reversal will be also very high. Why? Because see, you can see the bullishness is getting diminished. However, the candle has closed in green here at the top. So if gold is seen trading beyond 23.8, 23.10, consider that it is trying to reverse, and we can see a further rise, and which can take the prices in fact higher towards 23.20, 23.30 levels as well. MACD is bearish, trying to converge RSI stock oversold, stochastic oversold, trying to bounce back. Coming to 3, likewise on the 3-hour charts, though the candle see right now I can see it is engulfed between this zone, that is 2298 to 2310 levels. So it has to come out of this box either which way, is either on the downside or on the upside. Thus a selling entry at 2298 can be taken, which can take it towards 2294, 2290 and then 2284, 85 levels, the next targets. Else, I do expect that it should bounce back, and beyond 2310 is where we can recommend a buying entry. But on the daily charts, the picture is not so supportive for a complete reversal. Though if you look at the candles here, straight bearish candles, straight downward movement, not showing any sign of bullish reversal as of now. MACD bearish, RSI oversold, stochastic coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour chart. See, first of all, preceding candle, a swing candle, lower highs, lower lows. But look at the body size. The body size is certainly from the preceding candle, it is increased. This suggests that it has bullishness, and that is why also I say that there is a possibility of a reversal. Just let it break beyond 2000 2308, 2310 zone, and once it breaches beyond this zone at 2308, 2310, we can say that a possible reversal towards 2325 or in fact 2330 levels can be expected here. MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI oversold, stochastic oversold. Coming to day. Now look at daily charts. See, on the daily charts, first bearish candle, breakout candle, second candle, it has continued with the bearish momentum. It may try to show a pullback before, even if it has to continue, it can try to retrace a little on the upside. Now before we look into further details of the daily charts and I give you the strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting first week of May. Limited seats are only available. Register yourself now. In this batch, we share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups which can help you identify the profitable trades and which can help you trade profitably. So write an email or ping me on Telegram, and if you also just want to trade as per the signals, then also you can write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker with global presence, which offers a sweat-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. The candle is anyways red, and it appears that it can deliver a bigger bearish candle. Only point is, since throughout the day we have seen it trading bearish, we can expect a slight pullback towards 230810 zone, and in fact it can try to trade a little higher towards 2315 or in fact 2324 levels. But then this should not be confirmed as a reversal, as it is still trading bearish and it is still under a downward pull. Here you can see that there is a downward pull and possibility for it to move towards 2285 levels is higher. And in fact, once it breaches below 2285, we can look forward to a drop towards 2250 levels, if not today, some point of time soon. Because see, now it is trading below 20 period moving average and it is having a downward pull here, so bearishness may prevail here. Look at the MACD. MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI is also looking downwards here, and stochastic has come to the bottom here. So considering this, I will recommend a buying entry today at 2308, 2310 levels. At that point, you can initiate a buying entry if you see it is staying above 230810 levels. Beyond 230810 is where we can look forward to 2315, 2318 as the first target zone, 2324, 26 as the next target zone. And if it stays beyond 23, 24, 26, we can look forward to a rise towards 2335 and then 2340 levels. If 2340 is taken at any point of time today, consider that gold is reversing and a stronger rally on the upside again can be expected. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 2398, but then 2394, 2390 and 2294, 2290 and then 2284. Three levels you should mark out. Only and only if gold trades below 2284, we can say further bearishness is going to be seen, and we will look forward to 2270 and 2250 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. So see silver on the hourly charts. First of all, it has seen the support here at 2660-70 zone, and now it is trying to bounce back. On the upside, we know that the resistance here at 27.20 is stronger. Thus, if you see silver is staying above $27 levels, you can initiate a buying entry. But then 27.10, 27.20 you should watch out for, and a move beyond 27.20 is where the bullishness might increase. Reversal confirmation is only and only if it breaks beyond 27.40-60 zone. If and only if silver is seen trading beyond 27.40, 27.60, consider this for a reversal, and then we can see a stronger rally. Right now, it is trying to consolidate within a zone. MACD has hit a bottom. It is trying to rise from here. It is trying to diverge. RSI is coming out of the oversold zone. Stochastic is rising. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, one must consider the preceding candle, which comes with a tail and a greener body here. And also the current candle has started on a flat note. That this suggests that it can try to give a breakout, and we might see it staying above 27, 27.10. And in fact, it can try to erase the losses from this candle. It can try to move towards the 20 period moving average, which is sitting right now at 27.40. Possibility is there. It has hit the support levels. It can try to bounce back from here. Be watchful. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is oversold. Stochastic is rising. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, there is a slight worry point that see the candle is not willing to break on the upside. It started on a flat note, and thus we have to wait for it to break beyond 27. Only and only if it stays above 27 and 27.20 zone, you can say that the bulls will be heavier here. Else, what is happening? You can see a consolidation, and post consolidation, it is trying to take a shape. So this shape can be deeper and darker. We have to wait. If it drops below 2660, that is the point of time I will recommend you to sell silver. As long as now 2660 is respected, we have to be careful. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold, and stochastic has just come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour chart. Likewise, on the 4 hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, it has to break on the upside, or on the downside also it has to break below 2660 levels. So this zone between 2660 and $27 levels is where we have to be extremely cautious. In fact, you can sell here at 2670 itself. When you see the higher prices below 2670, you can initiate a selling entry, but then 2650, 40 is the first target, and below 2650 and 40 is where slight bearishness can be observed. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI oversold, stochastic oversold, and that also suggests that a recovery cannot be denied here, because see, the indicators are trading oversold, and a little rise on the upside can be expected. Now on the daily chart, see, on the daily charts, one bigger bearish candle, second candle, which is a breakout candle, it is shying away from a further drop here. And remember, once it breaks below 2660, then certainly the slide is going to be stronger, which can in fact take it till towards 2620, $26 levels. Because see, the preceding candle was deep bearish, and this candle, in fact, even if it is half of the preceding candle, it is going to take it further lows. So right now, I do see that there should be a possible retracement on the upside, but a buying entry I will recommend is only and only if you see it is staying above $27 levels. And in fact, if you see it staying above 27, you can look forward to 27.10 and 27.20 very, very nearby, and a very stronger resistance beyond 27.20 is where the bulls will try to take over, and then we will look forward to 27.40, 27.67 as the next targets. A reversal confirmation is only and only if silver trades about 27.60. On the downside, a selling entry now is below 26.70, 26.60 zone. You can sell here at 26.70 levels. When you see the higher prices below 26.70, you can initiate a selling entry, but then be careful of 26.60 and then 26.40 levels. Below 26.40 is where we can see extreme bearishness. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and do subscribe and comment. Do like, share as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do watch that as well. Thank you.